Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing Lumos from the App Store and granting the basic permissions it requests. Once installed, open the app and allow the VPN configuration prompt so iOS can add the Lumos profile. This is required for system-level routing. Make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular connection is stable during setup, and if you plan to subscribe, confirm your Apple ID payment method. This gets the app and device ready for account sign-in and configuration. You now sign into Lumos and choose a server. Once done, tap the list of regions and pick a location optimized for speed or access. Use the automatic option if you do not want to choose. Make sure to enable leak protection and the kill switch to prevent data exposure when the VPN drops. If you need only some apps routed through the VPN, enable split tunneling and select those apps. These settings control how traffic flows and why each choice matters. You finish by tapping Connect and confirming the VPN icon appears in the status bar. This indicates system routing is active. Once connected, verify your new IP and location with the app's diagnostics or an IP check to ensure traffic is tunneled. Run a quick speed test to confirm performance and adjust servers if needed. If the connection fails, first toggle the VPN off and on, restart your iPhone, or delete and reinstall the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.